Yeah, Nompilo.
Yes.
Wow, what a launch. What a launch at Joburg, not just Joburg, Sentin. Uzizwa unjani futhi ngelaunch namhlanje?
I'm so excited ukuthi abantu bakwazile ukufika nama guest speakers nokudla kwabamnandi nevenue.
Yeah.
Konke nje sekuhlelile kuhambe kahle.
Wow. Saba nelaunch emandla kakhulu PMB lapha na e-library yaselento le. Yini ekwenze wanalokho ukuthi engikwenze eMaritzburg ngakwenza naseGoli kube impumelelo njengoba kwenzekile?
Benginethemba lokuthi abantu bayadinga ukufunda ngeresilience, abantu bayadinga ukufunda ngama-themes akhona encwadini yami.
Yeah.
So noma ngabe abantu bahlala kuphi, whether bahlala eKZN noma bahlala eGoli,
Yeah.
benginalo lelo themba lokuthi kukhulu abazokuthola ngokuthi balalele ukuthi istory sami sithini. Yes.
And kade ngi-interacta nabantu abahlukahlukene lana izinto abantu abayishoyo nge-book launch yakho, it's just something else, you know. Can you please talk to someone right now with regards to i-journey yakho ne-resilience ukuthi yiziphi izinto oyifunda njalo nge-resilience and ezikwenze wabona ukuthi kufanele ubhale incwadi?
No, khona amazwi asho Nelson Mandela athi after climbing a hill you realize ukuthi there are more hills to be climbed.
Yeah.
So lokho ngikufunda nge-resilience ukuthi as abantu asifiki kwi-peak second la emhlabeni. Funeke after winning siphinde siqhubeke futhi sizame okunye. Even when we fall, you know, they say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And every time you fall you have to pick yourself up. Ukuze ukwazi ukuqhubeka futhi ukuthi uqhubeke ugcine emaphupheni lawo owabizelwe uNkulunkulu, ugcine ureach ipurpose yakho, ugcine ube satisfied because uhambo lude. So abantu abangalahli ithemba endleleni kufuneke baqhubeke noma ngabe izimo azibavumeli, bakwazi ukubekezela, bakwazi ukuthi noma ngingasebenza namhlanje kodwa kusasa ugcine kusebenzile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Incwadi yakho mfethu enamandla yenza umehluko omkhulu empilweni zabantu. Into esenginotisile ngempilo kwesinye isikhathi siqala izinto sithi sizenzela thina, you know. I know almost every day you get feedback from people who have been reading your work and they share feedback. What are some of the responses that you are getting from people that make you go wow? Because at times you might have thought you were sharing your own personal story, but now you find that God is using it to really challenge others.
Into engiyifundayo kubantu nje ngihlezi ngiba humbled abantu mabekwazi ukuqeda incwadi yami. Kakhulu mase ngibuyisela ifeedback yokuthi yini abayifundile. Khona nje engimessage ngithole last week evela kudokotela medical doctor wase Richards Bay othi ufunda ukuthi imfundo ayigcini kuphela certificate-ini balula lento ye-continuous learning. And bengacabanga ukuthi abantu abanjengodokotela bangathola incwadi yami useful because mina ngangithi ngiyibhalela abantu abafuna ukuba ama-entrepreneurs abadidekile njengoba nami ngangadideka ukuthi bangalahli ithemba. So izinto ekanjalo nabantu abathi ena awuyazi benginawo ama-ideas but ngasaba ukwa-executor. So noma mayifika imali ngivele ngiyidle kodwa manje sengizoyibeka imali ukuze ngenze sure ukuthi ngiyayenza lento engifuna ukuyiqala. So i-message yencwadi yami ithi nje your dreams are valid. Noma ngabe uqhamuka kuphi noma ngabe uzalwa ubani amaphupho akho ungawenza wenzeke. So ileyo feedback engitholayo ukuthi abantu baya realize ukuthi oh yazi sengathi ungivusile bengilele ebuthongweni wasuthi ngingakwenza kwenzeke. So ileyo nto ke eyenziwa incwadi yami.
Kade ngikhuluma noThandazani manje njoba sila kwi-book launch yakho. Enye izinto ayikhulumile ukhulume ngogogo wakhe ukuthi ugogo wakhe ube entrepreneur, you know. She was very driven as much as at that point in time she was too young to understand. But when she looks back almost everything that she is now is because of her role edlala ugogo. I would like you to speak into that ukuthi mhlambe thina as parents or grandmothers or uncles or aunts, what role can we play to shape our children so that we instill or install things in them that later on in life they will look back and feel, wow, I'm glad you know, I was shaped this way.
So if thina sikwazi ukwenza izinto siyiphase, like feeling the fear and doing it anyway, kuzoba lula for abantu abezemva kwethu ukuthi bathi hayibo ukubhala incwadi hawu baba mayibhala incwadi kusho ukuthi nami into engayenza
Yeah,
so it's like we creating ama possibilities for labo bantu and sibenza babone ngaphambi kwamehlabo ukuthi hawu ngoba ukwenzile ubaba wami nami into engakwazi ukuyenza senza kube i-possibility it's like siyalwa izimpi before zifice bona nabo khona izinto kuzomela bayiqala ukuthi bazenze for ama generations azobalandela but I think the best we can do ukuthi senze ama-realities, ama-fears ethu siwafight to a point ukuthi bona babona ukuthi hayi ngingakwenza nalokhu futhi ngingakwenza nalokhu futhi ngingakwenza yes
no ngiyabonga kakhulu sesizogoqa manje bengifisa ukhulume ngalento ye-networking I remember ngibona omunye umfowethu oyi-actor regretta ukuthi impilo yakhe ayihambanga kahle because ngenkathi actor ayidumile wayehleze eyilokha in his house bemtshena abantu ukuthi hey ndoda kune-party lapha hamba uyoshow face and you can get ama-sponsors to do something ngenetshena ukuthi no mina I'm just an actor you know kwahamba kwavela ukuthi ukuze ube actor kufanele ube umuntu one-network enkulu you know ukwazi uku-attract ama-sponsors you know ungafocus nje kutheni just because I'm an actor ufuna ukwenza lonto kuphela I would like you to speak into that because there are people out there who are skilled in their fields but somehow bayi-restricta ngokuthi ayitshena ukuthi hey mina ngiyapenda mina so that's all I do angabe saba nokuthi mhlawumbe makuney'thangama ey'thile ahamba ayovela kulezo ndawo so that ezo-networka nabantu abahlukahlukene and they can even broaden their own scope any thoughts around that?
Actually, bengikhuluma no-Ayanda this morning about the importance of building a relationship. Khona usisongidmile ka-TikTok wathi Nompilo ngiyabona ukuthi kwi-event yakho kwi-book launch yakho eMaritzburg bekukhona o-BMW bekukhona abantu abagqokisile nami ngiyafuna ukuthi ngizopulauncha incwadi yami nami ngifuna kube khona wonke lama sponsors ade khona ngami siphendula lo sisi ngathi build relationships and building relationships is not just DMing someone ukuthi ngobe sengidmile mina sengizomnika wonke ama-contacts ami lawo ama-contacts ami angafika kuwona acele the same things engiyicelela ngayitholi kanti mina kufanele ngibe intentional in building relationships ukuthi wonke umuntu engihlangana naye ngiyazama ukwazi ngayo ukuthi hawu unjani nisebenza kanjani kwa-BM yabo because angivelanga ngasuka nje ngenza yonke leyo nto leyo so abantu uma umuntu ofuna ukubuilda i-relationship kufuneka ayifake kuma-networks abe ku-community ahlanganyele nabantu not only to take but also to give you know abe generous because abanye abantu uyazi ungahlangana nabo namhlanje uphinde uhlangana nabo sasa abanye it takes for 2 years ukuthi umuntu azabe iclient lakho kodwa umazi lokhu nihlangana kuma ukuze azakuthemba umuntu so kufuneka singagive up kufuneka nje ulokhu buildile ube generous ungabuildeli just so that you get something out of them ubuild nje just because uyazi ukuthi kune value in this building of relationships so ama-networks they are very important kufanele ukwazi ukuba nabantu ongakwazi ukucollaborate nabo ube nabantu ozonetworka nabo your network is your net worth and everyone ohlangana naye will open your eyes to something ongayazi so kufanele sihlezi si-ready ukufunda kwabanye abantu you know ukuze sikwazi ukukhula ngoba we only know what we know and singakwazi asikwazi kodwa khona abantu abazofika basifundise ngama-experience zabo ukuthi hey mina ngeke ngadlula entweni kanje you know bese uyabona ukuthi kuyadluleka entweni kanjeni mina kade ngihleli nosibanibani bakhona osibanibani abangangisiza mangidlula entweni kanjeni so kufanele singasabi ukuthi sifunde nokuthi sikhule nokuthi sikholele emaphupheni ethu ukuthi nathi singakwenza kwenzeke and sibheke ukuthi obani abangasisiza nokuthi thina singakwazi ukusiza abani as well kube into eyi-vice versa kube ukuthi you give and you also receive because your network is very important.
Wow, that's powerful. I don't like demonizing things. I have a strong view that as human beings, we find it easy to demonize what we don't understand. But let me put it this way. There's something in Ashuguti, at times it surfaces as a demon, this fear of rejection. Because at times, you know, I remember this one time, ngise book launch lapana Gabongan Mavuso, the late Bongan Mavus, what mholi lapa we library wathi ngihambe ngokhuluma noBongani Mavuso but I was like you know the labantu abadumile kanjani I had my own excuses I was reluctant but he persisted uthi hamba okhuluma naye ngafika ngakhuluma naye it was on Friday On Sunday I was on SABC
Imagine.
doing an interview, and that thing, it made me reflect ukuthi I had nothing to lose, but
Exactly.
somehow I felt there was so much that I was gonna lose.
Yeah.
This thing of walking across the room and speak to someone, ngisho ngathiwa mhlawumbe uzothenga ibhizi angeke ngikwazi, but you are not losing anything, but walk across the room and reach out to someone.
Yeah.
What would you say kuleyo nto leyo?
The thing is very important because sometimes into ezivimbayo ama-excuses ethu ukuze sikwazi ukuphila le mpilo esifuna ukuyiphila noma ukwenza lezi zinto esifuna ukuzenza. So the minute we start thinking, oh, mayethi yes, we excited, but mayethi no, futhi impilo iyaqhubeka. Ngoba kahle kahle vele impilo izoqhubeka ngoba akuyena umuntu oyedwa ophethe yonke into. So kufuneka sifile ifear kodwa siqhubeke senze lokho esikholwayo ukuthi iqiniso lethu nokuthi kuzosinikeza lokho uNkulunkulu asibizele khona. So asikholelwe kulezi zinto esizizwayo ukuthi kufanele ngabe wenza lokho bese uyakwenza ngoba what if njengoba kwi case yakho lesitori sixoxayo ukuthi ukuba uBongani Mavuso wayitshela ngabe wathi okay, it's fine, but ngoba kayitshelanga then wakufaka ku show yakhe wagcina usuhlangene naye kakhulu esekubizwe ezintweni azenzayo. And so noma sisaba asihambe siyozama ngoba ukuzama ikhona kuzositshela ukuthi siyaqhubekela phambili noma siqhubekeleni phambili.
Umbuzo wami wokugcina, yini enkulu oyifundile ngale tour nangencwadi ye-business building, business resilience, ongasho ukuthi when you wrote this book ubungekho aware ngayo, but after you've published the book and interacted with different people, you ended up getting exposure? So to speak, maybe let me phrase this question this way. If you were to write part 2 wale ncwadi, what is one chapter you feel you will add?
I think including the importance of building relationships. Yabona, as I'm getting feedback from people, I'm seeing the need you build the resilience in every area, not just in business. I actually wish this book angibhalanga ukuthi it's business resilience because it's resilient ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Abanye abantu manele babona business but hayi kodwa mina ngikho interested ekubuilding business, you know. Kanti resilience siyayidinga sonke. Sidinga that fighting spirit. Sokukholela emaphuphini ethu ngoba kahle kahle what this book is saying, it's nje your dreams are valid. Your dreams are valid no matter how big, no matter where you come from. So ilokho engikufundayo ukuthi akulona ibhizinisi kuphela lidinga resilience. Ama-relationships adinga resilience. Isikole sidinga resilience. Ama-families ethu adinga resilience. I-community yethu idinga resilience. You know, so whether uyasebenza emsebenzini wakho noma usebhizinisini, i-resilience uyayidinga nje. Ngoba kwesinye isikhathi uzolimala namhlanje ungasafuni ukuvuka kusasa ngenxa yokuthi ulimele namhlanje. Kanti cha, ikusasa lizoba different. So kufuneka uvuke uyithathe uphindele khona, you know. Yes.
No, thank you so much. Abafuna ukukulandela laphana khona uzoba nama-followers ayimiliyoni mhlampe. Usho ukuthi ama-contact details nama-handles wakho.
Okay, laphaya ku-Instagram nguNompilo Yeyeye. That's my personal account, but ngine business Cava_solutions. Lapho siza khona nge-accounting. So cala nisilandele lapho. Nize nakuthina for i-compliance because siyasiza ngeqiniso. Bese nalapha ka Women in Business ZA khona ku Instagram ngikhona ngu-CEO wakhona. Bese khona ne-page lethu lama hoodies and sweaters and t-shirts Cava Africa, Cava_Africa, I think A about 2. Na ku TikTok Nompilo @Cava_solutions. Sikhona futhi Cava_solutions ku TikTok. No Women in Business ZA ukhona ku LinkedIn Nompilo Gumede. Ngane YouTube channel lapho ngikhuluma khona ngifundisa abantu nge-compliance. It's Nompilo @Cava_solutions. So ningilandele nje kuzo zonke inkundla zokuxhumana na Facebook ngikhona nguNompilo Gumede, khona noNompilo Kayeye Gumede. Lapho ningibona khona ningilandele ukuze nikwazi ukuthi sikhule sonke sisizane ngokukhulisa amabhizinisi sinyusa umnotho wase South Africa. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Inamba yase office.
Okay.
Inamba yase office ithi 074-589-2042. Lapho uzothola usizo sikwazi ukukusiza nge-tax, nge-accounting, company registrations, annual returns, yonke into nje compliance, even your proposals, everything, your funding, everything siyakwazi ukukusiza ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uqhubeke wenze ibhizinisi lakho kahle. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Incwadi nakhona ku 0745892042 ungakwazi ukuyi-order, siyayi-courier nationwide. It's 250 a copy, but masufuna ukuthi courier you add an additional 70 rands. So kugcina ku 320. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
God is love.
God is love.